The Air Jordan 5 Wolf Grey is set for a January 2026 comeback, coinciding with the model's 35th anniversary and marking its first ever retro since 2011. Highly regarded among non-OG colorways, the pair is expected to showcase its signature Wolf Grey nubuck upper, white stitching, and gray midsole with white shark teeth. Collectors are buzzing over whether Nike Air branding will return, historically reserved for OGs but occasionally used on special editions, alongside the Jumpman heel logo and 23 embroidery. Unlike the AJ5 Grape and Fire Red retros aiming for exact 1990 specs, this release could bring subtle modern updates. With resale prices for the 2011 pair surging, hype is already high. Blending heritage appeal with possible refinements, the Wolf Grey is positioned to be one of 2026's most anticipated drops, appealing to both longtime fans and new collectors alike.